Hello and good morning. I am hungover. It's Sunday. I slept in my makeup and just got home. And we're doing our Sunday reset. So, this really reminds me of that TikTok of this girl, like, deal with a hangover with me, and she's like ice rolling, puts her hair in a nice cute bun, and then everybody stitched it with like a bag of McDonald's looking dead on the couch. I love that. So I feel like I'm giving you both energies. I also sound like I'm dying. I think I have a cold. I don't know. I took a COVID test, so it's not COVID. I'm just dying of a good old-fashioned regular cold. And first, we're gonna go grocery shopping. Then we must clean the apartment. I have a lot of schoolwork to do. Then a little bit of meal prep. And we're gonna do that luxurious, full-blown skincare routine and a bubble bath. At least I did one thing good for myself, and I put together an actual meal plan for the week before going to the grocery store, so I'm not rushing it. Also, love the dirty dishes. Love. Look at my beautiful grocery list. I'm gonna change because I'm not going to wear sweatpants and slides. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I don't wanna stop doing this. Time for a little grocery haul. I did Whole Foods and TJ's every week. There's this guy on TikTok whose roommate works at Trader Joe's, and he was asking him, he's like, yeah, do they tell you to like talk to them and say like, oh, I love this item? And he's like, yeah, I'll do it if they're hot. And I'm like, all I heard was I'm hot. So Trader Joe's employees tell you they love stuff because I think you're hot. Let's start with Whole Foods. I first got my pineapple booch. Picked up my favorite cereal. This is the Nature's Path gluten-free Sunrise Crunchy Honey. If you put bananas in this, delightful. I'm making chili this week, so I picked up a red bell pepper, a jalapeno. Could not resist these. They're so good. These are the pumpkin spice cheesecake sandwich creams. Picked up some butter. It's organic salted pasture raised. Then I picked up these bad boys. It's been a minute since I've had these. These are the gluten-free chocolate chunk cookies. Picked up some oat milk. I heard oat milk's terrible for you, but I'm blind, so no. Picked up some frozen broccoli. Picked up some Bonza spaghetti. This is chickpea pasta. So much protein, tastes great. For my chili, I picked up some Kite Hill sour cream. It's dairy-free and it's almond and coconut based. A couple limes. Then I got some extra firm tofu. I picked up some lemons. There was a sale. Then I picked up more apples because we're meal prepping those overnight oats again, okay? Next up, we've got TJ's. First thing I picked up, some pasture-raised eggs, as I do. Also got some turkey bacon. I love having scrambled eggs with turkey bacon and fruit in the morning. It's a vibe. Had to repurchase my kimchi fried rice with the bananas. Got some cilantro. I picked up some ground beef for the chili. Oh, also from Whole Foods, I got my spicy shrimp avocado roll. I don't know why it was in the Trader Joe's bag, but best thing that Trader Joe's ever came out with was their apple cider donuts. Then I picked up, I don't remember why, but I picked up tortillas. I don't even have the meat to make a carne asada taco. Like, girl, where was the thought process? Then for the chili, I picked up some beef broth. They didn't have my bone broth at Trader Joe's. I'm sick. For comparison, the bone broth is like half the size of this. That's just generally the size of bone broth boxes when you buy them. And at Whole Foods, it's like $8. It's $3 at Trader Joe's. Like, where's my bone broth? Shit is too well priced for me not to go crazy for it, you know? Kidney beans and some black beans. And then I also got some tomato sauce and diced and fire roasted tomatoes. That is what the chili recipe called for. I found this new girl on Instagram. I will link her below. She has just the cutest videos, the best recipes. I just want to watch Blacklist all day in my pajamas and lay on the couch, but I can't. So, compromise. I'm going to clean and watch Blacklist while I do it. So, I already flew through season 9. It came out on Netflix. So, I'm back to rewatching where I had left off on season 4. If you watch Blacklist, please comment below, because I feel like nobody I know, a few people, watch it. I don't have anyone besides my mom to talk about the show with. So please, if you watch Blacklist, let's chat. DM me. Comment below. Let's talk about it. Please, I'm yearning to talk about that show. I tell anyone that will listen that I love that show. fact that I have earphones in, I'm deep in cleaning mode and I just don't want to take them off. I have two things that I wanted to unbox and show you guys. So in my last vlog, I went to this store in Costa Mesa called Landers. It's so cute. I can just describe it as cowboy vibes. It has vintage Playboys, vintage records, just super cool trinkets, boots, hat, clothes, vintage everything. It's just a really cool store. And I didn't need to spend money, didn't need to do that, but it was impulsive of me because I saw this and I thought, you're coming home with me. I didn't care if I had to give up my family, had to have it. It is this cute little cowboy hat incense holder. Maybe it's not special to you, but it's so special to me. It comes with some incense to go in it. Look, stop. Another thing I want to show you is I got a package of olive oil. It just looks like it belongs in my kitchen. It wants to be there, but this is just 100% extra virgin olive oil. And then I also got champagne vinegar with California citrus. And also, again, packaging, superb. Those are just the two things I quickly want to show you, but I just did my meal prepping for my overnight oats. We meal prepped the soup last week, so I have like a whole container of that. Finished a majority of the cleaning. All that's left is the rest of the laundry. So I'm gonna get back to listening to Taylor Swift. I was gonna say, when you see this video, the album might be out. I think this video comes out before the album comes out. I have been fiending for new Taylor Swift. Honestly, I don't know how I'm gonna act. I don't know how I'm gonna act when this album comes out, but damn, I'm ready. I'm ready. Anyway, I'm gonna continue listening to Taylor Swift, finish cleaning, and then we're gonna do some schoolwork, and then we're gonna do our little self-care routine. Finished one assignment. This was an exercise for business law. He always gives us hypothetical cases and then asks our opinion on them. And then I have to do some discussion posts for physical anthropology, but that's just currently where I'm at. I'm moving on to my self-care routine for the night, and thank you to PMD for sponsoring this video. So first off, I'm oil cleansing before my cleanser, and then I'm using my PMD Clean Pro RQ with my cleanser, and it has sonic glow technology to break down dirt and oil at 7,000 vibrations per minute. So it's great for exfoliating my skin and keeping it clean and clear from breakouts. The brush is also rechargeable and cordless, so you never need to replace it. And then I'm just applying some hydrating toner because that's great for sensitive skin. And then I'm just gonna apply some of my eye cream and then move on to serums. I use two different serums at night, one as kind of a chemical exfoliant to reduce acne scarring, and then I use hyaluronic acid for moisture. With my hyaluronic acid serum, I'm gonna put this on the other side of my Clean Pro RQ because it has a rose quartz stone that actually heats up, and it's made of magnesium, iron, and oxygen to reduce inflammation. So I'll massage the serum into my skin with the warm stone, and it's giving very much spa vibes. It's so relaxing. I love doing this at night before bed. Click my link in the description and use my code Siena PMD at any time to get an additional 5% off current promos. Right now you can get 25% off.